Good morning, dear students. Welcome to EduStar online class. You're watching Class 4 Science. Dear students, from this week you will have a revision session for all subjects because you're going to write term 1 examination from December 1st week. Let you know the timetable and exam portion through our school app. Already I gave revision from lesson 1 to 5, right? So these are the test portion for term 1 examination. Lesson 1, plants are green friends. Lesson 2, adaptation in plants. Lesson 3, animals growing in numbers. Lesson 4, adaptation in animals. Lesson 5, food and digestion. So you have to prepare well for the exam. And you will refer your book and worksheet for one words. In book bag, the keywords and important words are given in each lesson. So just go through it and refer your classwork note for question answers. Now you will have a quick review of each lesson. Lesson 1, plants are green friends. In this lesson we have learnt about plants. So green plants make their own food, so they are called producers. The leaf helps a plant to breathe and make food. Plants make their own food through photosynthesis. Plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make their own food. Extra food is stored in different parts of the plant in the form of starch. Plants and animals are interdependent. To maintain a balance in nature, we need to protect both plants and animals. Apart from this, we have learnt about unusual plants. Lesson 2, adaptation in plants. There are two types of plants, aquatic plants and terrestrial plants. The plants that grow in water is called aquatic plants. It has three types: floating plant, fixed plant, and underwater plants. Terrestrial plants, the plants that grow on land, is called terrestrial plants. It has four types: the plants that grow hills and mountains, plains, deserts, and marshy areas. And we learned about grass family. Apart from this, we have learnt about insectivorous plants. There are two types: a Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. Lesson 3, animals growing in numbers. There are two types of animals: animals that give birth to young ones and animals that lay eggs. Each one has different characteristics. Animals that give birth to young ones, the examples are dogs, lions, elephants, dolphins, and human beings. The young ones resembles their parents. They feed on mother's milk. The animals that lay eggs, the examples are birds, frogs, fish, and turtles. The mother bird incubates the eggs. Bird eggs hatch in 21 days. Lesson 4, adaptation in animals. According to the climate, the adaptation in animals are divided into three types: hibernation, estivation, and migration. Adaptation in habitat, the animals are divided into five types: terrestrial animal, aquatic animal, amphibians, arboreal animals, and aerial animals. Adaptation in protection, test two types: camouflage and mimicry. Adaptation in food, we divide the animals into five types: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, and parasites. Lesson 5, food and digestion. In this lesson, we have learnt about nutrients. What is nutrients? The useful substances present in the food is called nutrients. And also we learnt about balanced diet. A diet that contains all nutrients, that is carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, and water and roughage in the right amount is called balanced diet. And also we learnt about food preservation. Preventing food from getting spoiled is called food preservation. It has 7 types: refrigeration, canning, pickling, boiling, drying, and adding preservatives. And also, we have learnt about digestion, the breaking down of food into simple, soluble forms that can be used by the body. So, the digestion starts from the mouth and end with anus. Next one, diagram. Totally, you have 4 diagrams. Lesson 1, you have parts of the leaf and non-green plants and cactus. So practice this. In lesson 3, you have a life cycle of a butterfly and internal structure of an egg. Now these are the worksheets I given, lesson 1 to 5. This is the extra questions for you. If you have worksheet, just go through it. Lesson 1 worksheet I gave 15 one words. Lesson 2 I gave 10 one words and name the following. In lesson 3 I gave 15 one words and also the table I given. Lesson 4 totally 10 one words and examples of the animals. And lesson 5 10 one words and also nutrition table is very important. In the first column you have to write the nutrients and what are the sources we get the nutrients and what are the functions for that. So carbohydrate, the sources are rice, potato, wheat and sugar, and function is provides energy. Fat is called energy giving food and as well as carbohydrate also is called energy giving food. The sources are butter, ghee, milk and cheese. The function gives more energy compared to carbohydrates. Vitamins and minerals is called protective food. The sources are fruits and vegetables required for normal growth and development. Proteins are called bodybuilding food. The sources are milk, eggs, meat, fish and soya bean. Helps in building and repair the body. So this will help you learn the table. Now I will explain you how to write the exam. You are going to write the test in a ruled paper. Take the rolled paper and in the right corner you will write your name and roll number, class, subject and date. In the center you will write term on examination. After complete this one, draw one line. Then you start to write first Roman letter. First one is I given choose the correct answer. For choose the correct answer, I have given 4 types of answers. Have to pick the correct answer and write the answer like this which I have given. So no need to write the question, children. Write the correct answer with the question number. That is very important. Inside the margin you have to write the roll number and question number. After complete the first Roman letter, you draw one line. After that you will start Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks and write the answer for that one by one. After complete second Roman letter, you draw one line and you have to start the third Roman letter. Match the following. For this, you have to write the direct answers. Okay. Then true or false, answer the following given. In the next video, I will explain you the test portions and the model question paper with the answers. Okay. For every questions, you should write the answer alone. No need to write the question and answer. After complete the exam, take a photocopy. If it is possible to change it to PDF format and send the mail through our school mail ID edustar.4@gmail.com. Thank you, students. Have a good day.